Hello families! So here are our sounds for week 4 of our review of the sound cards and of the high frequency words. So le G dur et le G doux, which means the hard G and the soft G. And the great thing about this rule is that it actually applies in English as well. Very useful. So we have our sound cards are Gabrielle Grenouille, which is the hard G sound, G, G. And then we have Ginette Giraffe, which is the soft G sound, J, J. So then you'll see down here, when they're in front of certain letters, it clues you in that it says that sound. So in front of A, O, or U, it says G, G. So garçon, which is boy, gorille, which is gorilla, or guitare is a guitar. All of those are the hard G sound. And then we have the soft G sound. So we have genou, giraffe, gymnase. So when it's before an E, an I, or a Y, it makes the soft sound. So genou is knee, giraffe is giraffe, and gymnase is gymnasium. So then let's look at our next one. Here are our text for practicing. And the text this week is a texte informatif, so an informative text. So, as always, you can listen to this the first time through, and then if your child is up to the challenge, you can have them mute the video and try and read it. We will be going over this in class, but it's always a good idea to have that extra practice sometimes. And any of the words that are in bold are words of the week. So, afin de nous aider à comprendre les différents sons que fait la lettre G, Gabrielle Grenouille a écrit un petit texte informatif. So, in order to help us understand the different sounds that the letter G makes, Gabrielle, the frog, has written a little informative text. Les différents sons de la lettre G, the different sounds of the letter G. Il y a quelques lettres de l'alphabet qui font plusieurs sons. La lettre G peut faire 2 différents sons à l'oral. So, there are a few letters of the alphabet that make more than one sound. The letter G can make 2 different sounds when speaking. Le G dur, the hard G. Quand la lettre G est devant A, O, U, L ou R, elle fait un son dur, G, G, G. Voici certains mots ayant ce son dur. Légumes, gâteau, glande, graine, grenouille, grand, grande. Le G fait le même son. So, when the letter G is before A, O, U, L, or R, it says elle, so she in this case, because letter is a feminine word, so that's why they say she and not it. She makes the sound G, G, G. Here are certain words that have this sound, this hard sound of G. Légume, which is vegetable. Gâteau, which is cake. Glande, which is acorn. Graine, which is a seed. Grenouille, which is frog. Grand, which is big. And grande, which is the feminine version of big. And then the GU makes the same sound. Le G doux, the soft G. Quand la lettre G est devant E, I, O ou Y, désolé, le son est doux comme dans les mots girafe, mange, fromage et orange. So when the letter G is in front of E, I, or Y, the sound is soft like in the words giraffe, eat, cheese, and orange. Voilà les différents sons de la lettre G. As you can see, or here are the different sounds of the letter G. Okay, then we have over here again the sounds: Ginette, giraffe, je, je, it's the soft version, doux. And then we have G, G, Gabrielle Grenouille, G, dur, so the G, the hard G, and that is that one. So let's take a look at our sight words or our high frequency words. So we have A, and we have it with the accent, without an accent, and then we have it with accent grave. Again, accent grave goes up to the left. So A without an accent means has, like he has or she has. A with an accent means to, like je vais à l'école, I go to school. So very important to understand the difference. They are completely different words just based on whether there's an accent or not. They sound the same though. A is est, means is. Voilà is here is. It's similar to voici. It just tends to have a little more of a flair to it. Said with a little bit more emphasis. Devant, which means in front of. De, which is to, like the number 2. Aider, which means to help. Comme, which means like, but not like as in you like something, that's aimer. This like comme means something that is like something else, so similar to. Then we have grande and grand. Grande is for feminine words, for describing feminine objects or words, and grand is for describing masculine ones. And then we have our strategies for reading. Utilise les titres et les sous-titres. So use the titles and the subtitles. And then we have ne lis pas trop vite. Don't read too fast. Okay, so that's week 4.